Welcome back. So now that we are done with posts and pages, let's look at comments and media. So I'll go back to WordPress dashboard and then I would come here to comment. So this is where you manage comments. For now, there are no comments found in our WordPress website. So I would go to the post front end. You can see here no comment. So I'm going to make a comment on this post. So I'll click on the title to open up the post, and then I'll scroll all the way down, and then I would leave a reply. Then I'll post the comment. And here we have a comment from the admin with the comment text as "Wow, great article." Let's go to the comment section on the dashboard, and then I would reload this. So we have a new comment in here. Normally, when you set up WordPress with your email, you would get notified via that email that there has been a comment on your website. So here you can come over to moderate the comment. Right now, our comment has been set to approve because it's made by the admin. If this was a comment from a regular user or visitor to your website, it will be held for moderation by default. So you can read through the comment, approve or unapprove them. Now it's unapproved. So you would see that unapproved comments are highlighted this way with this red bar at the far left of the section. So you can approve comments if you wish. You can also reply to comments directly from here. And then you can quickly edit or edit comments. Yes, you can edit your subscribers or visitors' comments. Set it to spam or trash them. Also, you would see the username or the name of who made the comment, their website address if they filled that in, their email, and also the IP address from which they came from. Then over here, you would see in response to, this comment is in response to this post title. And of course, you can see the date the comment was submitted, the date and time. Over here at the top, you can see the different links we have. All is selected. So this displays all the comments. You can also see comments that you made. So we have one set in mine. And here you can see pending comments. Comments that have not been approved or reviewed yet. Of course, the approved comments, comment you mark to spam, and also comment that you sent to the trash. For instance, if I click on trash, this comment has now been sent to the trash. So I can go into the trash and delete them permanently or restore them back if I want to. So it has left the trash and gone back to approved comment. So once approved comment is selected, it would show you all the comments that are approved. Then over here to the right, you can search for a particular comment if you have number of comments or a lot of comments. And if I drop down the screen options, here you can hide different columns and change the view mode. And also you can decide to display the number of items or number of comments you can preview on this page. You can change the values, let's say from 20 to 100 if you have up to that amount of comments. Then once you are done, you can click on apply to make changes. So that's it for comments, and now let's move to media. So if I click on the media, this opens up the media library. Here you would find all the media, images, videos, PDFs, etc. So far we have 2 images in our media library. You can go ahead and add a new image. You can click, drag and drop an image from your file explorer or finder, and it will be uploaded here. You can change the view. Currently we have the images set to grid. You can change this to list, and the list view gives you some details that are hidden in the grid view. So you can see and easily make changes to this file. You can delete them permanently, edit or view them in a larger window. Also, you can see the author, whoever this image is assigned to. You can also see the post or page it has been assigned or uploaded to. And this section here is for comments and also the dates on the other section. You can perform bulk options by selecting on more than one item in the media library. So you can drop down the bulk actions and select to delete them permanently. So this will delete all the selections you've made. Here you can sort media items. We have only images for now because we've only uploaded images. So if we keep uploading other media items like PDFs, videos, we would have those media item options in this box. So we can decide to filter by media items. We can also filter by the dates uploaded. So we've only uploaded in this month, in this year. So once you're done with your selection, you can go ahead and click on filter, and this would apply all the filters you selected. You can also search for images, and of course remember the screen option. Screen option is available for almost all the menus here on WordPress. So if I drop down the screen options, I can decide to select the options or parameters I want to see. I can decide to hide the dates and hide comment. And dates, I can leave dates, and author, I don't need this. So we have a clean interface. Then I'll click on apply. So this applies my changes. I like leaving my media library as a thumbnail or grid view so I can see the images clearly. So I'll go ahead and select the grid view type, so I can see my images clearly and easily pick the ones I want. I can also get the direct link of each of these images by clicking on any one, and it will open up the properties or metadata of this image. So you can see the file name, the file type, the date uploaded, dimension, and also the file size. You can set alternative text, which is good for search engines. It basically describes the image, and also you can change the title here. You can also add captions. Same goes for the description. Then you would see the user who uploaded the image and where it was uploaded to. And here is the file URL. So you can copy this URL if you plan to use it outside WordPress or within WordPress. You can also delete permanently. You can edit more details. So this allows you to edit the title from here, and also even edit the permalink. So you can decide to take off all of these numbers. So I'll scroll all the way down to reveal other settings. Notice the edit image button here. You can edit this image. So here you can scale the dimension. You can make this 600 by 400. Notice how it constrains the proportion. So 600 goes with 400. That's why we have it automatically imputed the next value. You can make this 800 by 533, and if you scale this, it will scale the image in the correct proportion. So we have a lower sized dimension. You can decide to rotate the image if you wish, flip it vertically or flip horizontally. You can also undo your actions by clicking on the undo button. And once you are done with your image editing, you can click on update. So you can go ahead and play around with the comments and media. This is where I would end this lesson for now, and I'll see you on the next one.